If you are tired of the sluggish pace of traditional biking and yearn for the thrill of the fast lane, then buckle up because we're about to turbocharge your ride. Today, we unveil the top 5 fastest electric bikes under $2,000 in 2024. Before we delve into our list, please note that our picks are in no exact order, so stay tuned till the end to discover the perfect electric bike that meets your individual needs. Ranked at number 5 on our list is the Euybike's Closeout HyperScrambler 2. Boasting an impressive top speed of over 30 miles per hour and a remarkable range of over 100 miles, this electric bike is engineered for exhilarating rides and extended adventures. Equipped with G252-volt 19.2 Ah batteries, certified to UL 2271 standards, and powered by a robust 1,000-watt retroblade motor, the HyperScrambler 2 delivers unparalleled performance. Its cadence and torque pedal assist system, coupled with a twist throttle, offers seamless acceleration and effortless riding. Featuring dual suspension for enhanced comfort and stability, this bike effortlessly handles various terrains. Moreover, its advanced display provides real-time metrics and adjustable riding modes for a customized experience. Safety features such as hydraulic disc brakes, a loud horn and alarm, as well as integrated turn signals and brake lights, ensure rider security on the road. Additionally, the inclusion of a super bright headlamp and a USB power port adds convenience and visibility, making the Euybike's Closeout HyperScrambler 2 a compelling choice for thrill seekers and commuters alike. Number 4 on our list is the Wallke H7 all-wheel drive electric bike. Designed for adventure seekers and commuters alike, this electric bike offers an ultra-long range experience powered by a formidable 40 Ah battery, ensuring uninterrupted riding pleasure. Equipped with a powerful dual motor boasting a peak output of 2,800 watt, this bike delivers exhilarating speeds of up to 34 miles per hour, making uphill climbs a breeze and city commuting a thrill. The Wallke H7 prioritizes rider comfort and stability with features like lockable hydraulic suspension, dual rear shockers, and wide, durable 20-inch wheels, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrain. Additionally, its smart system, including a full-color smart screen and mobile app connectivity, provides riders with essential data such as battery power, driving distance, and speed, enhancing the overall riding experience. Safety is paramount, with integrated LED lights with brake signals ensuring visibility in low light conditions, and high-performance hydraulic disc brakes delivering responsive and powerful braking force, allowing riders to navigate with confidence and peace of mind. With its impressive performance and advanced features, the Wallke H7 AWD electric bike is a top choice for those seeking an exhilarating and safe riding experience. Number 3 on our countdown is the PHILODO H8 Fat Tire electric bike. Boasting a powerful dual-motor system with two 1,000-watt high-speed brushless motors, this electric bike offers exceptional power and climbing capabilities, propelling riders to speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. With its 21-speed gear system and 26 by 4-inch all-terrain fat tires, the PHILODO H8 effortlessly navigates through various landscapes, whether it's snow, beach, mountain, or city roads. The bike's large-capacity 48-volt 22 Ah removable battery provides an impressive riding range of 40 to 62 miles, ensuring riders can explore without worrying about running out of power. Safety is prioritized with front and rear hydraulic disc brakes that offer quick and reliable stopping power within 2 seconds, while the lockable suspension fork enhances rider comfort and reduces fatigue on rough terrain. Whether commuting to work or embarking on weekend adventures, the PHILODO H8 Fat Tire electric bike offers versatility and performance for riders of all levels. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the Euybike K6F Pro. This e-bike is designed for ultimate performance and endurance, featuring a powerful 1,000-watt, peak 1,500-watt, high-speed brushless motor, and an 8-speed transmission system, ensuring effortless rides even on steep hills and long distances, reaching speeds of up to 35+ miles per hour. Equipped with a massive 48-volt 25 Ah lithium-ion battery, Boasting a hidden and removable design, this bike offers an exceptional range of up to 60+ miles per charge, making it ideal for daily commuting or extended travels. The Euybike K6F Pro's fat tires, sized at 20 by 4 inches, are puncture-resistant and built to withstand rugged terrain, including sand, snow, and mud, providing stability and durability in various conditions. Enhanced safety features such as hydraulic high-strength front and rear dual disc brakes and shock absorbers ensure responsive braking and smooth rides, adapting effortlessly to complex road conditions. With 3 riding modes to choose from, electric bike, assist bike, and normal bike, riders can customize their experience according to their preferences and riding style, making the Euybike K6F Pro a versatile and exhilarating choice for adults seeking adventure and reliability. Topping our list is the wired Freedom electric bike, setting the standard for unparalleled performance and endurance. Powered by a massive 60-volt, 20-amp-hour, 1200 watt-hour battery, this bike offers an astounding range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, surpassing most other e-bikes on the market. The wired Freedom is equipped with a formidable 2,200-watt peak-geared hub motor, producing an impressive 138 newton-meters of torque, capable of reaching speeds of over 31 miles per hour. Unlike competitors offering lower-powered motors, Wired Ebike delivers exceptional power, ensuring a thrilling riding experience. Customized for Wired Ebikes, the Hongtai motor is considered one of the most powerful hub motors available. Additionally, the bike features a fully programmable color display, allowing riders to easily customize their riding preferences, whether it's for paths, compliance with local laws, or unleashing maximum speed on private property. Offering versatility, the Wired Freedom can be quickly and easily configured as Class 1, 2, or 3 e-bike, adapting to various regulatory requirements. Moreover, with steel-reinforced motor gears, Wired Ebike prioritizes durability and longevity, ensuring reliability for miles to come. With its exceptional specifications and innovative features, the Wired Freedom electric bike redefines the boundaries of performance and endurance in the e-bike industry. As our journey through the world of electrifying speed comes to a close, we hope you found inspiration and excitement in our exploration of the top 5 fastest electric bikes under $2,000 in 2024. If you've enjoyed this thrilling ride and want to stay updated on the latest in electric bike innovations, don't hesitate to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and give that notification bell a friendly tap, so you never miss out on our future content. And for more information on any of the bikes featured in today's video, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Until next time, keep the wheels turning and the adventure soaring.